how to test and check if mobile network is working normally on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on device care. Scroll down and click on diagnostics. After click on diagnostics, click on phone diagnostics and scroll down. So if you want to check and test mobile network, so scroll down. You will see mobile network is here. So click on mobile network and test again. You will see test result is normal. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can test and check if mobile network is working normally on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.